Alright, this is Sailor Jerry. Little man, up for adoption. Great dog. Digger's not up for adoption, and we got Jib up in there. Anyway, I'm going to show you one more time. Get you a nice bowl of soup going, you know. Get it nice and hot, nice and warm. Then you want to come over here and get you some fish out of the package. Now this is flounder right here. And this is flounder right here. Oh, I got a lot of fish tonight. And this ocean perch. You see it's thicker. Not quite as strong of a texture, but still good fish. So what we're going to do, even though our sink is trash and we don't give a shit about nothing, I'm eating well, but I'm not cleaning well. You see this? I'm just about all I'm going to do when it comes to cleaning. I'm going to hold this here camera in my mouth. Not really. I might could, but that'd be a stretch. So we're just going to do you like that. We're going to rinse off this knife that could have some bad shit on it. Anyway. So we're just going to fillet that one in half. I don't like that ocean perch as much. Tastes good, but I like the flounder better. It's just better fish. Anyway, we're going to cut them in half, and then we're going to show you how to cook the fish. I'm going to turn that back on a little bit. Then we're going to bring it right back over here to the fish. We're going to rinse it off one time. Bam, bam, bam. It's easy as pie. Bam. Just going to lay your fish on top. That's all you got to do. The flounder. Ooh, I like the flounder. Ooh, it's good. It's good. Good fish. Lay that right on top. See? Nothing to it. Lay your fish on top. Let it cook for about 20 minutes on low, medium, whenever that's hot. Get that hot first and then turn it off or whatever and put that on there and keep your eye on it. Don't let it overcook, because overcook's bad. You want it al dente. Little man, you want to go, he's up for adoption. Please, someone, he's great, but I got to keep this until he dies, and then we got Jib over there too. So, oh my God, look at my sink, it's flowing over. Alright, whatever. Alright, I'm going to cut this out and do some maintenance. And this is Sailor Jerry coming at you live over here on Sunday night. Fishing Liquor. Remember, always send your postcards, video cards, and credit cards over here. We'll put you on the wall of flame over there with Charlie Bell and Anna Monica Schmidt there, and teach you how to cook some damn fish. You know what I'm saying? That's what's up. Woo!